What's up, guys? It's currently around 7:30 in the morning. I haven't went to sleep yet, but we have a unboxing. My cat's trying to get up in my lap. Set that down. Alright, so let's just jump right into it. He's up. Alright, buddy. I need to sit over there. Alright. Let's just jump right into it. As you've read from the title of this video, you already know what it is. They didn't give me a bag. They don't. What? Alright. So, here's some stickers. I'm not going to look at those yet. And here's the shirt. It's just a basic Supreme chrome logo tee. Pretty cool, got the white one, size medium. Nothing really too special about it. Put that right there. Check out the stickers. We got basic Supreme box logo sticker. We got Supreme everything is shit sticker. And a Supreme chrome logo sticker. Yep. Alright. That's gonna do it for the end of this video. It was a very short video. I plan on having more packages, but the other company I ordered from still hasn't shipped out. Sometimes it takes them up to a month for them to ship it. Maybe even more. It's been, one time I ordered from them, took around 3 months. That wasn't too good. I emailed them multiple times, they never got back to me. I think they got back to me once. But, you know, shit happens sometimes, dog. It's tough times out here for a young boy trying to make it. You know what I'm saying? But, hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. And I'll see you guys again in the next video.